before we start this video, I'm going to let you guys know that I am selling a hair serum. It will be linked down in the description box, my website, my Instagram page. It is definitely great for hair breakage, length retention, moisture. I have 10 different oils. We have Ayurvedic powders. We have essential oils, all natural, all organic. Support your sister, and everything will be in the description box. Now let's get started with this video. I am back. Hello, I missed you guys. Okay, so first we jump in straight into the eyes. We're gonna prime the eye with some concealer, some powder, and then we're going straight into the NYX white eyeshadow base so that our eyeshadow can just pop. And I love this so much. I never tried this before in my life, and I am sold. So I'm going to set this with a white base first because I want to put the white in the inner corner, and then I'm going to follow it with the yellow, the orange, and the red. The key to this look is definitely blending out, so make sure like all your brushes are clean, because child, let me tell you, like I messed up like 10 brushes low-key, because you don't want to be mixing colors and you want it all to look vibrant, ombre, and just perfect. So now I'm starting out with the Nickak 24 karat gold primer. I showed this in my last video. I love this primer. I love this primer. It's super moisturizing, and honestly it's like 7 p.m. at night, so I'm not really trying to be going off with the primer because this makeup is just gonna come straight off. So we jumping straight into the F Cosmetics putty primer, and then we're gonna go into the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and saddle, if I'm not mistaken. So to conceal, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. Like, I really love this combo. The Maybelline with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation really gives me life. I should have used my Airspun setting powder, but I had to settle for the Fenty. I love the Fenty, of course, but the Airspun, ciao. everything, but I didn't feel like getting up, and I was like, I'm not keeping this makeup on so long, so whatever. So in the previous video, I could not open this damn cream contour from Fenty. Like, I don't know if they glued it, but this night I actually got it open. So I really like the color. Is nice and creamy, and it goes on like butter. Okay, and I was not like doubting that it would, but I never tried any cream from her, so I like it. Then we're gonna follow up with the Fenty Beauty powder contour. Like, we have to set the cream, honey. Always set the cream. So I'm going in with Coco Naughty, and then I'm gonna go in with some highlight. We're gonna set the face with the Morphe continuing spray, and we're gonna win some Hustler Baby, and we just gonna like live our life, honey. So I'm now gonna do my lips. I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Espresso, and then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics lipstick in London. London is my favorite liquid lipstick from NYX, like my favorite lip combo ever in the universe. Then I'm gonna top that off with some Fenty Beauty gloss. I forgot the name of the gloss, don't kill me, y'all, but I will have it in the description down below, so I got y'all. So the key to some bomb vibrant under eye is putting a white base. Like, where have I been? I've been doing makeup for like 5 years on YouTube, and I never thought to get a white base. Like, what is wrong with me? Like, I need to get my life. So I put this under my under eye, and then I put all the colors that's on my lid on the bottom so it can match, and it came out so good. So you have made it to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please hit that like button so my videos can get thrown in that algorithm. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to check out my hair serum. I am selling a hair serum. Everything will be in the description box. My business page, website, my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all that good stuff. I will have everything ready for you. Ciao. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.